Good afternoon, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon. African, good afternoon. European, good afternoon. And the Lord bless you. I've come today to talk about marriage. Marriage. I can remember I can remember the time of my father, my mother. Those times there are marriage everywhere. Even self, you go see children wey be say e never even hold, wey go dey 23, 20 years, 22, they go marry. Even though na school dem dey go, they go still marry. But now, no boys wan marry, no girls wan marry. Why e dey always be like that? Why? Because the computer life e don change many of our girls head. So tey dem themselves no wan marry one husband, dem wan marry like 10 at the same time. Dem go born for Peter, born for John, born for Abraham, born for Isaac, born for all the whole names wey dey inside Bible. Dem go born for all of them. E no good. One thing when I see for this matter na be say, you see our girls, you know why we wey be boys no dey gree to marry, especially for Europe? Because of their behavior. Their behavior is very bad. I have one advice for you girls. To date is not the matter. You can date 100 boys, you can date 10 boys. The matter is that out of those boys, which one is going to put you at home? Which one will put you for house, call you my future? Which one? I know say some boys dey deceive. They are deceivers to deceive most of our sisters, and what they have, take what they have from them and leave them. I know there is people like that. But if you are following a boy that doesn't love you, you are the one that is going to make that boy to love you. Number one, your character. Don't look at the money you have. Maybe you can have money more than the guy. The guy doesn't have anything. Your character, your behavior, your caring is not about caring about money. Caring about love, feelings can easily make that boy to love you more than you yourself don't think. The way of doing things, respect, can easily make that boy to say, baby, when are we getting married? When we go take marry? Now you go come dey even dey force yourself, say make we marry. If you no get character, my dear, poof, no boy go fit marry girl when e no sabi cook, when e no sabi greet, when e go tell just a little word of play, e go turn to quarrel. Which boy? Me, I no fit marry girl wey be say I go use some words dey now when I will just use for girl now, e go change am to quarrel. Just because say you don get another boyfriend, that is why, another girlfriend, that is why you come dey do me like this. Your attitude matters a lot for guys. Please, sister, try and be respectful. Respect your boyfriend, respect your husband, so that you cannot miss your luck. Future husband. God, give me my future husband. God, give me my future husband. God, give me my future husband. My dear, future husband no dey find person o. Na you go find your future husband. Why husband? Na you go find your future husband by yourself. Future husband no dey come from heaven. And when future husband dey come from heaven, maybe my mama for see a future husband. Oh yeah? Future husband, e no dey come from heaven. Your character can can locate your future husband. Your way of doing things can locate your future husband. The way you put yourself, your loyalty to people can locate your future husband. Don't have character outside and you don't have character inside. You better have character inside house when you dey than you get character for outside you not get for inside. Some girls dey now, if they reach outside, maybe for instance they have a boyfriend, if they reach a boyfriend, maybe the boyfriend fit tell am say make we go out, baby make we go out, make we just go visit my friends. They will reach where their friends dey. If you see the way the girl go take greet all her friends, daddy my love, hey oh aunty, una well done oh, una good evening oh aunty. People around the boys will be saying, ah, this your girlfriend good oh, he good oh, ha, see how she dey greet, use hand hold am well oh, but inside house you no get character. Inside house when you and the boy dey gather dey stay, you no get character. Na slap you dey slap the boy, na beat you dey beat the boy, na curse you dey curse the boy. How you want make the boy take get mind, take put ring for your hand, say make he marry you? How you want make the boy take have hope, say if he marry this one, he go fit take care of my children, he go fit take care of everything wey I like for life? How you want? My dear sisters, please try and have a good manners. Good manners matters a lot. They said a good food draws the honey nearer. Please try and have good character so that you may have husband tomorrow. They not dey use money buy husband o. Even if you use money buy your husband put for house, tomorrow he no go dey with you o. Na the truth o. Na the true love na we dey find, no be about money. You come Europe today, come look for money, no be husband. You dey think say na money you come look for, no be husband you come look for. That one na foul. Later I go talk about women when dey Europe, when dey go Africa, go dey marry, come here, come dey do nonsense. We will still talk about that one. So please try and be respectful. Try have good manners to your boyfriend or your husband to be, or you are married. Try and be straightforward try to be good to your husband. Don't shit on your husband, because this life we are living now is nothing. Vanity upon vanity is vanity. You can go to hell tomorrow and leave everything you has at home. You leave everything for Christ's sake. What are you going to tell God in heaven? Please, sisters, try have good manners so that you may have good husband tomorrow. I no go fit marry woman wey no get character. Even though she no sabi cook, but at least make she dey respectful, she dey caring. Not be about caring of money or caring of love. She go dey good. If I talk to her, she no go talk say make me use a word do something. At least both of us we bring idea, we go talk the idea together. Not be say he go say honey because you don't have money. If you follow money for love, my dear, you miss your luck. Love is so sweet when the two hearts is joined together. Love is very sweet. Test it and you will see that love is so sweet, not about money. Don't worry, I will talk about those guys collecting money from girls when time comes. And I will also talk about boys when time comes. Have a nice day.